Hey guys, it's your girl Mandissimo and I am back with another video. As you can see, it is my very first try on haul, even though I said I wasn't gonna ever do one or do these type of videos, but here I am. Of course, I am doing with the brand called Temu, so if you want to stick around and see what I chose, keep on watching.
Temu is your favorite online shopping space that offers very low prices for a wide variety of super high quality products, and not to mention the fast shipping. I'm talking about men and women fashion, wigs, accessory and jewelry, household products, electronics, and even pet supplies. And these same products are even cheaper than on other websites. Temu offers conveniences like the official app, free shipping, free returns, secure payment methods, and even afterpay, okay? So shop hundreds of items comfortably for under $5 with Temu.
Alright, so since this is my first haul, I opted for the starter pack, and this is one of the tops that I got out of the starter pack. This is the dipped hem back cross round neck tank top. Sounds like a mouthful, but I got it in a medium. Kind of been going through like a little weight loss situation. I didn't know if it would fit by the time I got to, like, you know, the size that I am now, or, you know, whatever the case is. But the material is nice and thick. You can still see a little of the texture of your bra beneath, but that's fine. I like the nice, you know, A-line shape. It's giving very much casual, simple in the front. Can wear it to the office, put a jacket over it, you know, because of the sleeves. But in the back, that's where the party happens. And I do not understand if I put this on right. Probably not. But you get the point, okay? Only $5.89. I'm not mad at it because I am known to be very frugal, very cheap. And I paired it with this some black bottom because, like I said, you can wear it in a very casual situation and you can dress it up, put some heels on with this, believe it or not. Or you can wear it to work with actual work slacks or something, a blazer, and you look fine. Love the yellow because melanin, and it is popping against the melanin. I'm gonna keep my hair up the whole time so you can see the full effect of everything. You can wear it with nice bold jewelry as you see on the website, but I probably wouldn't. Or you can just, you know, keep it simple, keep it cute. Alright, so next up we have the Dalmatian print puff sleeve shirt in a medium for only $4.89. It's in the color brick red, and I'm a corporate baddie. I'm a corporate baddie at this point in my life, so I'm thinking I could wear this to work, but also I'm a classy baddie and I like to brunch, and I'm thinking this is a brunch thing, you know what I'm saying? Like you have on a nice, you know, maybe like a nice little leggings, or like a specific, you know, color pants, maybe like a tan. If you even have like the red, a darker red maybe, or the burgundy that you can wear this with, it would be perfect. You dress it up with some heels, you have a nice bag, like a big bag. You wouldn't want a small thing, and you have a nice big bag. The material I think is quite thick. Usually I get some like a, you know, cheap material type of thing. When I do this, it's a little close. Like I feel like it's a little close, but I do have broad shoulders, so that makes sense. But I do love the V. The V cut is very flattering. It shows, you know, any necklace that you wear. And yeah, I think that this is a go. I wouldn't have gotten this in a large because it would have been too big at that point. However, a small would not have fit because of the boobage area, right? But yeah, this is, I kind of like this one. And I think the medium did it for me. What do you guys think? And by the way, all the links to these pieces are in the description box. You can use the code OFF8449 for a discount. You'll get your shipping free for the first purchase. It's like a win-win, so why not do it? Why not try these pieces? And you can also see other items on the website. They have an app. It's very convenient. Temu, remember that name. It's coming for everybody. Next up, we have these high-waisted flare pants. I had to step back so you can see the flare. You know what I mean? Tana money. they're an extra large. I chose these to be an extra large. I usually choose pants in extra large because of my upper body to lower body ratio. If I'm to get a set or something, the top would fit, the bottom wouldn't, the bottom would fit, the top wouldn't, the waist wouldn't. It's too much. So I got these in extra large, and it's not extra large in. It's more of a large in. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not mad at it because it's a stretchy material. So I'm just show you here. It's a stretchy material. Feels fine, feels decent. It can be a casual type of fit. I actually just threw it on with this previous shirt to show you that, you know, the darker color would look over the shirt. But yeah, I actually kind of like it. I am 5'4", very short, and I have on, this is where it fits me. This is where it gets me, reaches my foot there. So I can wear slippers, it'll kind of drag on the floor. So maybe heels, I can wear them to yoga perhaps, you know, just wear them as loungewear in the house. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. And it's my first pair of brown pants that aren't jeans, so definitely a plus. But yeah, this is how this looks. Let's move on. So people, we've made it to our first dress. I love brown. I love brown. That's one thing I've learned in my adulthood. So most of my clothes, I feel are shades of brown, tan, beige, along those neutral lines. This is a sexy solid sleeveless dress. It was for $3.89, but it feels like it was for $3.89. It's not as thick. It's giving see-through, like you have to wear a dark color. You have to wear dark color underwear with this. You can see the textures. Oh, I forgot to mention that this is in coffee. It doesn't look as coffee-ish as it look on the website. It's giving more of a diluted coffee product, maybe like a coffee with some cream, not strong black coffee. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And it's in a large, just so you know. If you stretch it anymore, you might as well just wear white because it's not going to show the color at all. You might want to wear seamless underwear because everything's going to print out, right? I don't want to show you all that, okay? But yeah, this is where it reaches me. If I drag it all the way down, if you have a little belly, it's gonna show because it's body con, but we're confident, so we're gonna wear the belly. You understand? So this is how it looks. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you could wear it as is. Just this, you gotta shop, go into the supermarket, grocery store, slippers, you're outside with your shopping bag. You wanna go to dinner, you wanna go to brunch, you wanna go meet a friend. Dress it up, heels, bag, hair done, bust down, 24-inch. However long y'all do y'all hair. My hair is just like right here, so that's beside the point. I like it and I'm going to wear it, but be warned that it is kind of thin. But it was $3.99 or $3.89, I think. And you can find all the links in the description below, including this one. So go out and check the Temu website or the Temu app and find this dress. Now people, this is an off-shoulder bodycon dress, very maxi. It's $7.19, the price. It's a large and it's in bright pink. I'm sure you can see straight through. It's not giving thick. It will expose everything you wear, including if you wear nothing underneath. Not my favorite purchase. I am afraid to turn around because that would be too risky. And as you can see, it's so thin that you can even see the outline of the pockets. I'm not a fan of this. And I was hoping it was good because I don't really have like a nice pink long dress. I'm going on vacation next week and I was hoping to have something to wear that's like nice and bright like this. It's also not as bright as I was hoping. It's more of like a pale sky pink or something. I don't know. But this is how it looks for your general reference if you want to buy it. I think it's more of a bath suit, swimsuit cover-up. I wear this like over swimsuit at a hotel or a resort, on a beach, poolside, maybe a day party, a swimming party, whatever the case is, but it's not for just a typical going out day, unless you're one of those that just don't care. If you don't care, by all means, this is you. This is all you, boo. Link in the bio though. And remember that you can get discount OFF84.49. Exclusive code. this is my first haul, and you guys already have me taken off my clothes. I don't like that for me. But this is the tie-dye drawstring crisscross. It's a swimsuit. It's a one piece with a cover-up, and I do like the cover-up because I'm not that like provocative. I like to be a little more conservative, you know, in person. I like that, you know, it covers the belly because I'm in the process of losing weight. I was much bigger than this just a few weeks ago, but I like the cover up. I like that it has support. There is padding in the boob area. I like that. So you can adjust the strings in the halter portion, and yeah, it's a lot of back coverage too. And this is actually in a large. Any smaller I would have been squeezing, not gonna lie. Any bigger, it would probably still be as comfortable. It's in white, and it's just another swimsuit in my wardrobe. Tell me what you think. All right, guys, so we're back with the final two pieces. I decided to just pair them together. The color schemes kind of work well together. So this is a nice little cami top with like a chain detail for, you know, the straps. This is in a size medium, I believe. All right, and I love the color. It's a nice, bright, vivacious, intense color. And then these shorts, which don't usually fit well on me, like for some reason my body type, my body and shorts don't work well together. But these shorts are the solid elastic waist shorts in extra large. I decided to pair them together just you know, so you can guys can have a full outfit. The shirt is a bit long. The blouse, I guess I would say, is a bit long, but if you want, you could also just kind of tuck it into whatever bottoms you wear. If you just want a, you know, a more put together look. And the shorts, I like the length of them. They're not all up under your, you know what I mean? And you can make them shorts if you do feel like it though. Just kind of fold the thighs there. And you have like a shorter pair of shorts, right? But I mean, I will definitely be taking these on vacation next week. And this also, maybe not this vacation, but it's definitely like a beach top. You can dress up with white pants, orange pants, heels, anything. I feel like you can also do that. Now this material is a lot thicker than the dress is before. It's more along the thickness of the yellow top, so that's good. It's, you know, decent. I like this detail. It's very unique to my closet. I don't have anything with like, you know, chain link sleeves. This is the back, as you can see. The shorts are a bit thin, are a bit see-through. Let me roll them back down. They are a bit thin and see-through. However, they have pockets, and that matters more to me than anything because I don't like carrying a bag sometimes. I feel like pockets would work. There is a drawstring detail that you can make use of. If it came too big, you can adjust that. Or if you want it a little tighter, create a little more cinch in the waist, you can also go with that. But yeah, the links to these are going to be in the description below. Go ahead and use the discount code, very exclusive to me. It's OFF8449 for, you know, a lower price when shopping. Be sure to check out these pieces on Temu. And thank you guys for tuning in to my very first try on haul. Let me know what you think about the pieces in the comments. Let me know if there are any other pieces on the site that you'd like me to try out. But comment what was your favorite piece, what you'd like to see me wear maybe on another vacation, and if you think I could pair it with something else, because I'd love to try that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I usually post travel content, you know, daily vlogs, but I'm branching out and I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone, and let's see what comes next. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.